In go the muffins.
Yay! Merry Christmas!
What's in there?
A little bit of this.
Who knows what lyrics?
A little bit of this.
It's not Christmas without Fireball. Everybody say good morning to Tundra, the Christmas kitty. Good morning, beautiful snow people. It is Christmas Day, 25th of December, 2023. And you'll recognize Hannah from former ski films. She's now a duck. And that's, of course, Billie Jean. She's grown a foot and a half since the last time she was on film. No! Billie, you're so excited for Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
What are you most excited about? It's not an answer.
Paying her debts to the duck mafia.
Okay. And then we had our traditional breakfast. Kirsti, what's our traditional breakfast?
I have newt and toe of frog, wool of bat, and tongue of dog. Blueberry muffins, grape juice, biscuits and gravy, sausage, and extra sparkly coffee.
It's not Christmas without Fireball. Sure is. So after a lively round of dish cleaning, following breakfast, and then began the joyous opening of the present.
I'll sit in the middle.
Don't eat my muffin, dog. Bad dog. Bad dog.
It's so cute! Oh. Reginald!
Yoga instructor, December 30th, 2020. Currently at 460 hours. More than that now.
Yep.
Huh?
Happy, are you gonna go rob a
Man. And then he went and robbed a bank. And a train. Oh, what could possibly be inside here?
I'm gonna go grab a,
He got that for himself.
Oh my goodness.
Me and Daddy picked him out.
Complete with cheetah print.
He
And the joys of opening
Let's go.
present number 2. What'd you get?
a 10.
Whoa.
Nice.
Huh?
Look, it's Van Gogh with King and Van Gogh
Let's
with
see your picture, Hannah.
Tundra.
Are they custom?
Christmas is rather joyous.
Something.
What'd you get there, Pappy?
And she's sleeping.
Oh man. So when he goes to rob the second train of the day, he doesn't have to wear the same mask. Happy, you got a new tutu. Oh my goodness, Hannah, can you put it on, please? Head?
No, that's not right.
Dog tutu struggles are real, people. Titus, you ready for me to open your gift? Yeah? You gonna open yours? This is for you.
I've got
Titus.
all over the cat.
A beautiful skirt for Happy.
The Baron Trump novels. Yes.
Long before Bear. What did you get, Billy?
Stand.
A what? Phone stand. Perfect. Titus, what did you get, buddy? It better be some shorts. It's something for you to destroy. Look. Are you so excited?
It's Titus. It's all Titus. Happy, you're Titus ready? Happy's like,
And he's gone.
These are so pretty. I got a necklace.
Just moments in time from last year.
Cool.
Overdue for some overalls.
I got them a little bit bigger around the waist than what you requested. You have no idea.
Face of
No.
Christmas joy.
Oh, Happy's trying on his overalls on top of his clip.
Well, yeah. I wanted this shark toy set from the moment I saw it. Happy
Wait,
putting on
Billy, I
his,
think you got some of the same
he's ready to
ones.
go rob
Some-
a train and a bank and then head out and
It's probably all
milk the chicken. It's dangerous. I always say that you're only young once, but you can be immature your whole life. Right, Billy?
Yeah.
Go.
Can I open it now?
Messing with Happy
No.
the other day.
We're all opening at the same time, you know this. I am at least 32% more joyous with these sunglasses on.
Happy's ready to
Oh,
join
he's
the
ready
local
to go.
gang.
And suddenly Billy got a box from Amazon.
Look!
So weird. You like it?
Yes, I got so many fancy pens.
You got a woolly
Fancy pens.
Nice. It's gentleman's blend as opposed to ladies blend mustache whack.
This is what Amazon package gift wrap looks like.
Very nice, very nice.
Cite this for me.
Okay.
Something full of trouble, like a bell broth. Let me just. Are you recording me right
I
now?
was. What? An airplane
There, it's
for myself?
today.
No way. Really all Titus wanted for Christmas.
Diffusers.
Excellent. Very nice. Titus just really wanted a little piece of hose. Airplane.
No, I can fix it, but it
How
won't.
cool that is.
The drawer's open.
That's vellum.
So Kirsti got a new
I
journal
don't know.
made from genuine kilt skin
I'll let you use some of the clothes. Lots of clothes.
for Barbies.
Yes.
Nice.
Exactly. Eye of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dog, adder's fork and blind worm's sting, lizard's leg and owlet's wing. For a charm of powerful trouble, like a hell broth boil and bubble, double, double toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble.
Good job.
That's really good.
Happy. Did you steal Titus's shark? Did Happy steal your shark? She did steal his shark. Yeah, that's his. That's Titus's. Oh, you don't have it? You don't have it now? What? Welcome to MTV Crib.
You have to cut that. Cut.
It'll be cut.
And
Custom made at TJ Maxx. So this is what our girls have done with their Christmas gifts this morning. It is now a couple hours later, and everything's looking really good. You like it? You
Yes.
so stoked?
I love it.
How about you, Billy? You so excited?
I told you we did.
This is really
this is
cool.
so cute. Thick.
And of course, Titus is very
White
comfortable on
coconut.
his new bed.
Not his new bed.
It's not? Then after many hours, some nerd was done weathering, quote, quote, his little airplanes. They look pretty good. So when I'm not telling people to not duck ropes or slow down, I'm painting little airplanes. Look, beautiful wife is over there. A Christmas frozen pizza.
Bruschetta.
It's magical. So yeah, back to our airplanes. Taking it out. And then never taking it out. It's alright. Pretty cool, huh? Well, everybody, that concludes Christmas for 2023. But hopefully you and your family had a great Christmas time and have a wonderful 2024 New Year. We'll talk to you later.
Yay!
Merry Christmas.
A little bit of this.
It's not Christmas without Fireball.
Are you recording me right now?
I was.